you're new here, I'm Lauren, and today I am sharing the healthy dessert that I am just eating on repeat lately. I have been eating it every single day because it is so tasty and easy to make. So I thought that I needed to make a video and share it with you guys. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, nut-free, so good. If one of your 2024 goals is to eat a little bit healthier, this is a great option because we still have those moments where we crave sugar, we want dessert, and instead of reaching for something like a tub of ice cream that has a lot of added processed sugar and ingredients, you can make this at home with just a few ingredients. It uses fruit and it also uses a chocolate that is sweetened by coconut sugar, which is a lower glycemic option. What that really means is that it doesn't spike your blood sugar as much as other sugars might, especially if you have PCOS or if you're trying to avoid sugar or if you have acne. I recommend looking for lower glycemic options. That's what I stick to when it comes to adding sugar. All right, guys, so you just need 3 things to make this dessert. The first thing being a really high quality, tasty coconut yogurt. I love Coco June. That one is my favorite. It's very thick, creamy. It reminds me of a real dairy yogurt or even a Greek yogurt. So that one is the best. Then you need some berries. So today I have raspberries. I also love strawberries. I really just get whatever looks good. The reason I love berries so much is they're very high in antioxidants. They're great for your skin. They have a ton of health benefits. Usually I go for strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries. Those are my favorites for this. And then lastly, as I mentioned, you're going to need chocolate. I go for the Hue brand because they're sweetened with coconut sugar. I look for these. They are the mint gems. I also get the normal gems sometimes, and they're very simple. There are 4 ingredients. They don't have additives, preservatives. It is the simplest chocolate. Look for a brand if you can that is sweetened with coconut sugar or a low glycemic option if you're worried about blood sugar spikes, and look for something that has really minimal ingredients. I won't keep you waiting anymore because this is so good. So let's jump right into it. Grab yourself a bowl or a mug and we're going to pour in some coconut yogurt. I like to use about half a cup, and you're going to pour it in and then you want to spread it around evenly on the bottom. Now it's time to add your fruit. Today I'm adding raspberries and I like to break them up like so. You can also chop them with a knife. I'm doing about a 1/3 cup of raspberries, and when I do strawberries, I like to chop them up pretty finely. If I do blueberries, I typically leave them whole. Always remember to wash your fruit before you add it into the yogurt. Next, we're melting the chocolate. Grab yourself a small microwave-safe bowl and put a handful of Hue gems in there. It's about a 1/4 of a cup, maybe less, and we're going to put that in the microwave for increments of 30 seconds. While we're melting that, we have the option to add more toppings. So today I'm adding a spoonful of coconut flakes. Let's check on our chocolate. So we usually do 3 30-second intervals here, and the reason we do that is so it doesn't burn. Once you get this consistency, it is good to go, and we are going to go ahead and pour it over the yogurt. If you have a baking spatula like this, it'll help you get out every last bit of the chocolate. So you're gonna wanna pour that over your yogurt, your fruit, your toppings, and then you'll spread the chocolate evenly over the top. Once it's looking like this, you are good to go. So now you have a decision. You can either eat it as is, which is really good, or you can wait 5 to 10 minutes, put it in the freezer, and you'll be able to actually crack the chocolate. It should do that a little bit anyway, but if you put it in the freezer for just 5 minutes, it is extra good. So I highly recommend that. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Never waste any chocolate. You guys, I can't get over this dessert. Like, I love it so much. I mean, come on. 5 minutes in the freezer, less than 5 minutes to put this together. This is great to make after dinner if you're craving a dessert and you want something healthy that tastes really indulgent. I hope you guys love this easy, healthy recipe as much as I do. It is just so good. I can't get enough of it. As you saw, I sprinkled a little shredded coconut. Sometimes I'll add different fruit. Sometimes I'll add some nuts or seeds. So there's a lot you can do with it to keep switching it up a little bit, and it is just so tasty. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see more health and wellness content and recipes. Let me know what else you're interested in seeing in the comments below. I'll link everything in the description box down below, including these cute mugs. I think they are so fun, and they came with a little gold spoon too. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.